Hello and welcome to my channel. My name's Dan Shannon, and just behind me is my workshop. So I'm just going to take you in there and show you around a little bit. I'm going to be doing some unboxing videos and some tool reviews on my channel. So this channel is designed for the person that enjoys woodworking, the hobbyist. Not a professional. I'm not a professional, so it's basically for DIY people that just enjoy getting out in the shop and working with their tools. So let's dive on in. Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Ridgid Brushless 18 volt 12-inch chainsaw kit. It has a brushless motor with a 6.0 amp battery and a charger. So let's look at the model here. This particular kit, the model is R01101K. So let's dive into this, see what it looks like. Let's grab my knife here. Alrighty, the tape was a little bit stubborn, but we got into it. Alright, let's have a first look, see what's in here. So, we got the chainsaw. This is the manual, operator's manual. So all the paperwork. So I'll put that aside for now. And what else do we got here? We got the Ridgid charger. So we'll set that aside as well. And we got the battery, which I will show unboxing that later on. Battery, set that aside. Pull this cardboard out. And then what do we got here? We got the chainsaw. So we'll pull this out of the box. Slide the box out of the way. So there we are. So as you can see, it's a Ridgid, very much Ridgid design as far as the look, the orange, the gray, super nice. This is brushless. This is your chain tensioner, your 2 bolts to pull off the plate, looks like. And then we got the guard, so I'll take that off. Set that aside. So it says the Ridgid 12-inch, 305 mil. So that's a look at this side. And let's see if there's anything underneath. There is your tool for tightening and loosening the chain, and then for your bolts. And then you have this, you can put a rope on that if you're climbing up a tree or whatever to hold onto your saw. So that's super convenient. Well done, Ridgid. And then we'll spin the saw around. So on this side, you can see there's your battery compartment where you stick your battery, and of course your safety before you press the trigger. You got to pull that back. And then up front, you got your brake, of course, to lock in the saw. That should do a nice snap. Yes, it does. Perfect. And then your oil tank for your barrel wheel. So take the cap off, fill it up. It's nice that it's clear so that you can see your oil level. And then you got these, I think they call them dogs, your spikes for digging into the wood. So that's the unboxing of the chainsaw. Looks super nice. It's got the Ridgid, of course, kind of feel to it. If you're familiar with their tools, they make great quality products, and can't stress enough about filling out your warranty card, 90 days, and you have a lifetime service agreement. They will replace the motor, any parts that go bad. If it breaks, they'll fix it. Just super great. So anyways, that's the unboxing and kind of a look at the chainsaw. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like and share. I will be doing another video showing it in action once I charge up the battery, which actually I can show that to you now. I'll unbox it so you can see what that looks like. So let's open up that. Beautiful. All right. There's this cardboard, and then there's a Ziploc bag. To kind of seal it in. Let's take it out of the bag. So it's a max output lithium 6 amp hour 18 volt, and we'll check the reader on it for how much battery life, and there's only 1 bar. So that tells me it needs to be fully charged before I use it. So I'm going to charge it fully, and that's fully recommended to do that before you power on your machine and use it for any length of time. It protects the life of the battery, having it full juice. So yeah, appreciate you viewing this video, and once again, please like, subscribe, and share this, and there'll be more videos to follow. I enjoy Ridgid. They don't sponsor this video. I just doing this because I enjoy a shop. I enjoy the hobby of woodworking, and I have lots of Ridgid tools because of their warranty and their quality. So have a great day.